Want to tweet from Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to tweet from Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your device. Then click on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the share icon of the thread that you want to tweet. Then click on More option. Select Tweet option. Choose whether you want it to be a post or a direct message. Then click on the Post button which is at the top right corner of your screen. And that's how you can tweet from Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.